Okay, let us solve this problem on physical chemistry. This problem appeared in JEE Advanced 2017 paper. The problem is we need to find out the correct statements or statement about the surface properties. So here we are given 4 statements, and among these 4 statements more than one can be correct. So the first statement is cloud is an emulsion type of colloid in which liquid is dispersed phase and gas is dispersion medium. And now the second one is adsorption is accompanied by decrease in enthalpy and decrease in entropy of the system. Third one is the critical temperature of ethane and nitrogen are given to us, which are 563 Kelvin and 126 Kelvin, and it is said that the adsorption of ethane will be more than that of nitrogen on the same amount of activated charcoal at a given temperature. And the last one is Brownian motion of colloid particle does not depend on the size of particles but depend on the viscosity of the solution. So let us try to analyze these 4 statements and pick the correct statement. So as per problem, the first one is incorrect because cloud is an colloid which comes under aerosol. So this is absolutely wrong. Now moving to alternative B, so we can cross this out. So A can't be answer. So alternative B says that adsorption is accompanied by decrease in enthalpy and decrease in entropy of system. This is correct because when a gas is adsorbed, then its randomness decreases, so delta S is negative as well as delta H is negative because it is favorable, and therefore delta G is also negative because the reaction of adsorption is very much favored by the gases. So delta G enthalpy change gives free energy is negative, which gives delta H negative, or the other way around. So B is absolutely correct. Now moving to alternative C, the critical temperature of ethane and nitrogen are 563 Kelvin and 126 Kelvin, and it is said that adsorption of ethane will be more than that of nitrogen on the same amount of activated charcoal at a given temperature. This is correct because we all know that critical temperature of ethane needs to be more than nitrogen because nitrogen is just a molecule of gas whereas ethane is a compound. So as we know that higher the critical temperature, e.g. the gas can be easily liquefied. E.g. liquefiable gas are found. So higher the critical temperature, e.g. liquefiable gas are found. So if we increase if the gas has higher critical temperature, means that gas can be easily liquefied at a particular temperature. So in between ethane and nitrogen, ethane critical temperature is much higher than that of nitrogen, so ethane can be easily liquefied, and easily liquefiable gases are readily absorbed. So we can say that among nitrogen and ethane is readily absorbed as compared to nitrogen. So and the statement also says that, so C is also correct. Last one is Brownian motion of colloid particle does not depend on the size of particle but depends on the viscosity of solution, is absolutely incorrect because as per our theory of Brownian motion, it depends upon the size of particle, but here it is said that it does not depend upon the size of particle, so this is wrong. So only the answers which are correct or the statements which are correct are B and C. So B and C are the answers for this problem.